This bird hunts snakes by stomping them to death. Meet the secretary bird, Africa's real-life snake killer. It looks elegant, almost royal. Long legs, sharp eyes, dramatic lashes. But don't let that fool you. When it spots a snake, even a venomous cobra, it attacks with lightning-fast kicks. Its legs strike with a force strong enough to crush and stun in milliseconds. And here's the wild part. Its scales protect it from venomous bites. Unlike most birds of prey, it hunts on foot, walking through African grasslands like a deadly patrol unit. It can fly, but prefers to fight on the ground. Snake versus bird? The snake usually loses. Beauty, speed, precision. Nature's tactical assassin. Kindly do subscribe now for more unbelievable wildlife facts.